When it comes to Blender, I personally have a few curiosities that I follow personally. One is the exact solver and its greatness. I want it to become greater and greater, so I'm following the exact modifier very closely. The other one is text. Text is one of those strange things that I find myself needing to use more often than most. However, whenever it comes to using the Q menu to add thickness to it and then using it as a Boolean object, it never treated it completely as if it were a proper Boolean. You know, text is text, so if we press Q, we use difference, and then we press 1 to focus on the main collection, then we now see that basically text is moved. Of course, once a text turns into a Boolean object, we don't have the ability to go into edit mode and basically retype the font, but we do have the original font being in edit mode, or being over inside the cutters collection, where we can go in here and say, I should finish the name so I just don't leave that inappropriate, and we'll select these two, perform a difference, and we see that everything worked out successfully. In fact, let's Alt-V look at the wire and just see how the T was treated, and the T is being treated very nice in both cases. That's always my concern, is that letters like T and A will have issues because of the way that they are solved internally, and we see that it just worked without any issue. And basically that's all there is when it comes to discussing the Text2Boolean update in this particular update.